Slido Ideas allows you to capture and curate the best ideas from your team members or event participants. You can use it to brainstorm the next company strategy, crowdsource the agenda for an upcoming conference, or identify team projects for the next quarter. To turn on Slido Ideas feature, go to the settings. Create a topic, activate it, and start your brainstorming session. Your team or audience members will then be able to start posting their ideas, either with their names or anonymously. To bring the best ones to light, let the people upvote and downvote the submitted suggestions. The most popular ideas will then be automatically shown on top of the screen. You can also start collecting ideas before the meeting takes place to save time for a face-to-face discussion. Just share a single link or use our Slack integration to crowdsource the team's ideas where the conversations are already taking place.